Good morning student. In this video we will learn the application of the properties to some questions which are in the form of filling the blanks. The question number 1 is the filling the blanks, question number 2 is the filling the blanks, and question number 3 in the replication form of n. We have to put the value of n so that to make the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let's start. You will see what you have learned in the earlier videos, the application of the properties in the multiplication operation here. Now we come on the first question, filling the blanks to make the statement true. Here you will see the first question is 23,987 is multiplied by 0. Now we know the zero property of multiplication. When we multiply any whole number with 0, the answer is 0. Okay. Now the question is completed here, but for the advanced knowledge we should have keep in mind that which property is there for this type of question. I will mention here zero property. Okay, this is not required as per the statement, but we have written to make our concept clarity and the revision purpose of the properties. Here question number 2. Here 59,083 is multiplied by 1. When any whole number is multiplied by 1, the answer is same. So 59083 is the answer. Now which property will be there? Here I will write identity property. Or in the other words, we can say this multiplicative identity. One is called the multiplicative identity. After that, question number 1, 3 part, third part, 879 multiplied by 56 is equal to 56 multiplied by which number? So you will see here, this is the first number and this is the second number in the right hand side, but on the left hand side. But on the right hand side, the second number is on the first place, and here will be the number which was on the first place on the left hand side. So this rule is commutative law. Law or property means the same thing, rule. Now here you will see 100 multiply 100 multiply filling the blanks, the result is 1 lakh. In 1 lakh, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many zeros are there? Only 2 and 2, 4. So we required one more zero, and so we will multiply this by 10. It will justify the answer and equalize both the sides on the left hand side, left hand and the right hand. So now this question is 2798 multiply 35, and here one term is missing. You will see 35 is there, 35 is there, 27 is there, 27 is there, then it is 98, and what is missing? That is 98. Clear? Now which rule is applicable here? Here we can say associative law is working. $205 multiply 69 is equal to 69 multiply 200 plus 69 multiply what? Now here you will see that on the left hand side this is 69 is multiplied by 205. And if we put here, there is 200, 69 is multiplied with 200 and 69 is multiplied by what more number so that the both sides may be equal. Here 205, but here is only 200. So what we will write? We will write here 5. How? You will see here. 205 can be written as 200 plus 5. So I can write 205 multiply 69. It means 200 multiply 69 and 5 multiply 69. So as per this explanation, I can write here 5. And which rule is there? The rule is distributive property over addition, of multiplication over addition. So simply I will write distributive law. Clear? Now we are on the 7th part. 87 multiply 19 and is equal to 19 multiply 80 plus what? Now here is 87, so clearly with a little thinking I can judge that here I will write 7 so that it may become 87 and justify the left hand side. So which rule is this? This is also distributive law. Dear students, here as per the question statement we will have to fill up the blanks only. The properties in the red, in the blue ink I have written just for the revision of our earlier work. Now we come on the second question. Here 56, the heading is filling the blanks. 56 multiply 30. Here 56 multiply 30 plus 56 multiply by what? Now here is 39. So it is 30. Therefore I will write 9. So to justify both the sides. Now which rule is there? This rule is also distributive law. So distributive law. Again you will see 37 multiply 19. 37 multiply 10, 37 multiply 5 and 37 multiply by what? You see 37 is common. No, 10 plus 5 15 and on the left hand side this is 19. To make 15 to 19 what must be added? We must be added 4. So this is the rule. So it is also distributive property. Distributive law. Again 18 multiply 47. 18 multiply 47 and here 18 multiply 50 and 18 multiply by what? So that it become 47. Here the subtraction is there, so I will have to a number that make 50 to 47. So what will I subtract? I will subtract 3. Now this is also distributive law over distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Distributive over subtraction. Now question number 4. 76 multiply 88. Now this is 88 and here 76 multiply 90 and minus 76 multiply by what? You will see that we have to make 90 to 88. So which number must be subtracted from 90? This will be 2. So this is also distributive law over subtraction, just like the third part. Now we will see the question number 3. What number should replace n? Here question number 3, first part. 3 multiply n plus 6 and here 3 multiply 5 and 3 multiply 6. You will see 3 is common, and 5 plus 6, that may be 11. So if you write here you will see I will apply distributive property 3 multiply 5. So I can write 3 multiply 5 plus 6. So here is 6. 6 is there, 3 is there. In place of n, if we compare, the n is 5. Therefore, my answer is n is equal to 5. I will write here n is equal to 5 under this explanation. Now, after that, question number second. 7 multiply 4 and plus n multiply 3 is equal to 7 multiply 4 plus 3. Here you will see 7 is multiplied with 4 and 7 is multiplied with 3. If you can see, it means 7 multiply 4 and 7 multiply 3. Now if you compare both these, then you will get to know that what number should be place of n. You will see 7 4 equalize 7 4 and 7 3 multiply n 3. So in place of n you will get 7. So for the second question, my answer is n is equal to 7. Now this question I will do just by the observation. The question number third. 9 multiply 8 plus 8 multiply 8. Here 9 and 8 are in the bracket as per the distributive property, and both number are multiplied with 8 and both number are multiplied with n. So in comparison, if I write this side, I can write this. 8 is common, so 8 is taken outside, and 9 plus 8 there. Now 9 plus 8 into n, you see here, and 9 plus 8 in the bracket, 9 plus 8 in the bracket, and in place of 9 we will write as per the comparison 8. So my answer is n is equal to 8. In this way we have seen that what type of the rule application works in the questions. Thank you.